All right, guys, this is my backyard. I am just entering the yard right here. Yes, the grass needs to be cut. The lawn guy is coming. It's been raining here in Houston, so it is wet back here. Um, this is my project. So, as you guys can see, that's my back door. Um, it's gonna have to get a nice cleaning. We put those rocks. We put those bricks there. Those were the leftover bricks from the house. So my plan is to have it decked out in all brick. But for my project, I went and I went to two places. I went to Discount Tire and asked them if I could have this one. Then I went to Kroger, and I have to confess, I basically just took that one. And they're not the same size, but what my plan is to do is to get a piece of plywood and cover them up. I'm gonna wash down that portion of the house. Really needs a good cleaning. Um, I've never been out here, but that's my plan, to come and start having tea and coffee and sit down and make this area a nice little deck area. So this is the first step. And those things are heavy, I must say. I thought this was going to be easy. No. It's wet. It's muddy. I have on my husband's rain boots. Yeah. So, stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. I am back. It is the day after Mother's Day. So today is Monday, May 13th. And I didn't get my video up on time because it was raining and flooding in Houston. So I'm still gonna do it. So what I'm about to do is clean all of that mold or algae, not mold, but algae off of there. And then that is, I hope you guys can see, the sun is like really blinding me. That is some of the stuff that I will be working with. So place you guys this way. So I am going to clean off that and I'll be back. so far. Let me pick you guys up. Hold on, let me. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. My rug is a little bigger than the planks that I put down, but I have a solution for that. What I'm gonna do, it was my plan in the beginning, but I didn't do it. I'm gonna get a piece of plywood and put on top of the and I can't think of the names of the wood pieces that I picked up. I'm gonna put a piece of plywood on top of that, and then put the rug on top of the plywood, so it'll be a little sturdier, because my legs are, as I thought in the beginning, they're seeping into the slots in between the oh God, what is the name? Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm gonna get that. And I picked up this a geranium. It was on clearance at Walmart for $10.41. Those little pillows were $5 a piece. I already had the table and the chairs. I got that rug from at home. I went to Kroger and Advanced Auto, and got the oh my God. And as soon as I finish filming this video, I'm gonna remember the planks. I'm gonna just say planks. I can't remember the name of them right now. The bell pepper plant, which is right here, it doesn't have any bell peppers on it, but that one was on clearance for $7.86. Those right there, which I'm gonna pot in a minute, those were $2.48. The Miracle Grow was on clearance for $3.20. So, and as you can see, I didn't clean that side right there, but I did do the door. As you can see, a big difference, and I did clean that wall right there. So guys, that is my spring outside haul. It was supposed to be the collab with Wani from Wani's house, and I'll have the exact name of the title in the description box, and I'll send her an email and see if I can add it to the playlist. It has been horrible in Houston for the past week. Thunderstorms, lightning strikes, flooding. Yeah, so it was impossible for me to get this video done. But now I have it done 3 days later. So guys, send me a message in this, right in the description box, down below, and tell me, what do you think about what I did? And until next time, you guys have a blessed day. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To all the new subscribers, thank you in advance for subscribing. Oh goodness. For all my old subscribers, thank you again for sticking with me. Child, this is why I don't come in the yard. They have like, I think y'all a little crooked. They have like 50,000 little bugs that's flying around me right now. That plant is just, oh my goodness, that plant is so pretty. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be bringing you more videos. I'm going to clean up the rest of my mess, and I'll come back and show you the finished result. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Peace. Alright guys, I am back. This is the finished product. I even went in and cleaned the entryway with some bleach and palm olive. It isn't dry yet, so hopefully when it dries it'll look a whole lot better. And as you can see, there is my tomato plant to the far left, the geranium at the top, and I think at the bottom are begonias. I like those. I like those little pillows. They go great with the rug. And guys, this is my finished product. I love the way it turned out. Thanks again to Wani over at Wani's house for putting this collab together. And I will see you guys soon in another video. Oh, stay tuned to part 2 of my daughter's room. I'm gonna do the reveal. The last video I showed you guys, it was just me with the haul and everything I was going to put in her room. So the next video is going to be the reveal of of my spring refresh of her room. Talk to you soon. Hugs and kisses. Love you guys. Peace.